Today we will learn is, am, are. The first one is a linking verb used to connect a subject to a singular noun or adjective. Examples: the cat is happy. He is ill. She is sad. Formula: subject plus is plus singular noun adjective am is a linking verb used to connect a subject I to a singular noun or adjective. Examples: I am a student. I am a girl. I am a boy. Formulas: I plus am plus singular noun adjective. Are is a linking verb used to connect a subject they, we, plural noun, to a plural noun or adjective. Examples: they are friends. We are going to school. Formulas: subject plus are plus plural noun adjective. Some important points. Is used with singular subject he, she, it or singular noun. Am is used with subject I. Are is used with plural subject they, we, plural noun. In the next class, one will give you some sentences and paragraph in Urdu to translate in English.